Do you know you can protect yourself from HPV? Yes, you absolutely can. Let's talk about simple, realistic ways to reduce your risk. No fear, no drama, just facts. First up, get vaccinated. The HPV vaccine is one of the most powerful protections you can give yourself. It helps your body build strong immunity against the high-risk types of HPV that are linked to cervical cancer and other complications. The best part? It's preventive, meaning it works best before you're exposed. If you haven't already, talk to your healthcare provider about getting the HPV vaccine. Now let's talk about safer sex. Using condoms consistently and correctly is key. While condoms don't eliminate HPV risk completely, they significantly lower your chances of transmission. Protection is always better than just vibes and assumptions, right? Limiting your number of sexual partners also makes a big difference. More partners simply means higher exposure risk. This isn't about judgment, it's just math. The fewer people you're exposed to, the lower your chances of catching something. If you're able, mutual monogamy is another smart move. Being with one partner who's also only with you means fewer opportunities for the virus to enter your life. It's a team effort. Regular screening is a game changer. Routine cervical screening, whether it's a pap smear or an HPV test, catches early changes before they become bigger issues. Early detection means early intervention, and that can truly save lives. Don't forget about your immune system. Sleep well, eat nourishing foods, and manage your stress. A healthy body can help clear many infections, including HPV, more effectively. And if you smoke, consider this your gentle nudge to quit. Smoking weakens your body's local immunity, making it harder to clear HPV infections if they happen. Every little choice adds up. Protection doesn't have to be complicated. Small, smart choices every day really do add up over time. Take care of your body. Trust me, future you will be so grateful. Stay informed, stay protected.